Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and today we're standing in front of a beautiful 1935 Chevy street rod that just rolled in from California. And boy, do they know how to do the rods there. Come on up, let's take a look at this. This is a all steel body with glass fender street rod. It's sporting a 350 Chevrolet motor with a 350 transmission, turbo 350. It's got plenty of power, and boy do they know how to do the rods there. Check this thing out. The paint is near flawless. I hate saying anything's flawless because you can always find a chip somewhere, but it is dang near it. Beautifully dressed 350 motor under the hood. And don't forget to look at the undercarriage pictures at vanguardmotorsales.com. And also, while you're there, do yourself a favor and join the 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a classic car online. It's a free report we offer to our viewers. Let's take a look at the paint on here. This is a Chevy 3-window coupe. You don't see a whole lot of the Chevys because inside they use wood in them, and most of them have rotted out. This one has all been redone. It's unchopped, unfilled. It has disc brakes, 5-inch drop axle, factory cowl vent, perfect body. It's just unbelievable. Yeah, the body's been re-wooded is what they call it. Be the one at the show where you pull in and everyone's like, wow, look at that car. Because I'll tell you what, you will when you drive in with this. No disappointments here. It's got Boyd Coddington wheels on it. BF Goodrich radial TAs. Check out the trunk in here. Did a really tastefully job in here. Straight from California. It's got a beautiful exhaust system, and once again you can see that online at vanguardmotorsales.com. Thought we had a scratch there, but it's just a little hair. It runs and drives like a slot car. It's just unbelievable. It's got the perfect California rake to it. Beautiful interior. Look at this, solid doors. Absolutely gorgeous inside. Full factory, well not factory, but full gauges. She's beautiful. It was actually a poster car for hot August nights out in Reno. It's got seat belts. It's sweet. Here we are, Aubrey. It's street rod time. 1935 Chevy 3-window coupe. You don't see many of these around because most of them have rotted away. But here we are, an original steel car with glass fenders, and this thing is hot. When I say hot, it is hot. Red cherry, baby. Be the one to pull up in the show and have everyone break their necks taking a look at your new rod, because that's what's going to happen when you roll up in the cruise night with this thing. because it is just absolutely awesome. I gotta tell you guys, everyone's been messing with me because I say something's phenomenal. They wanted to start a new game, a drinking game, and every time I say phenomenal, they have to take a drink. So I'm trying not to use the word phenomenal. Don't forget to join us on Facebook at facebook.com/Vanguard Motor Sales. And also do yourself a favor and get our free report, 7 Deadliest Mistakes to Buying a Classic Car Online. Boy, this car, it just drives like a slot car. I mean, it's so responsive with that 5-inch drop axle. It's just wonderful to drive. Disc brakes, 350 trans. It's a tight little ride. Give me a call today if you have any questions at 248-974-9513. I have my phone on 7 days a week to take care of my clients. Because at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are dedicated to putting your dream in your driveway. Call me today. You deserve to have this in your driveway. I can see it right now. The truck pulling up and this rolling off into your driveway. And the whole neighborhood's going to come out and hoot. Because she is bad. Thank you for joining us today at Vanguard Motor Sales. And stay tuned for the next pass.